beautiful $1,000 gaming PC. This is taking advantage of new combo deals and some sniping on Amazon. The CPU of our build is the i5-12600KF. For $167, this is a steal. 10 cores, 6 performance, I think 4 efficiency, and it's 12% faster than top-of-the-line AMD CPU for AM4. The memory of choice that we have is the Silicon Power 2x8 gig DDR4 kit. This is simply the cheapest 16 gig DDR4 kit I can find. And the choice for storage is the Allen's JS990 1TB Gen 4 NVMe. It's a Gen 4 NVMe, it has 1TB of storage, and it's quote-unquote cheap. And our motherboard is the Asus B760M AYW Wi-Fi. It's originally $149, but since it comes bundled with a CPU and due to like Newegg discounts and stuff, we can get it for $89.99. And the power supply is free with the CPU, and the SUM L50 is simply the cheapest 240mm AIO I can find. The Leanly A3, it's a bit expensive for this budget, but I was focusing on aesthetics too. And I like the Dark Rock R120 reverse blade planes because of the way they look, and it's $15. Finally, our GPU, the Challenger Arc B580 for $289. This is awesome. So, previously mentioned in my video on GPUs, this is a great price to performance. Best $300 new option, in my opinion, featuring 12 gigs of VRAM for future proofing. It looks okay, but this case also has the option for like a mesh side, so if you really want to cover that up, you can. So this is the total cost of the build. We're actually under budget, which is insane. So yeah, Newegg combo and Amazon are pretty good. This isn't completely priced to performance, by the way. This is just the PC I would buy for $1,000. Price to performance is great, but this is cool, quiet, and good looking. Soon, though, I will be releasing a $1,000 maximum price to performance build guide. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, try and share. I'm in France.